ठीक है
हां सर एबे स्टार्ट करो
अच्छा इटा आनी ने आइकन टा
हां आसी गला
ने एपिक पेन टा
सर मु नहीं आसी
हां मु हे गेला कर देली ठीक है ओके थैंक यू ओके hello everyone we'll start our Indian geography sessions for that one as we know that the Indian geography is vital part in our prelims discussions since that the multiple questions are there, MCQs based are there, and MCQ based questions are based on your not only the factual aspect, also your analytical also. Okay. Next देखिए I will discuss with our question session now. First question यदि हम देखिए which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India particularly? Which region in India is known as the rice bowl of India? Indo-Gangetic Plain, Krishna Godavari Delta, Northeast region, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Rice bowl of India particularly. Rice bowl of India it is your Krishna Godavari Delta. First is your B for Bombay. It is Krishna Godavari Delta. Duncan Passage is situated in between Minicoy and Aminadivi, Minicoy and Maldives, Little Andaman and Car Nicobar, South Andaman and Little Andaman. Duncan Passage is situated in between your sea. It is Little Andaman and Car Nicobar. Sorry. It is your South Andaman and Little Andaman. Sorry. South Andaman and Little Andaman. Jemti Duncan Passage jodi mu kahibi, this is your North Andaman, this is your Middle Andaman, this is your South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman. This is your Duncan Passage. This is your North Andaman, Middle Andaman, your South Andaman, and this is your Little Andaman, and this is your Duncan Passage particularly. Duncan Passage is situated in between your South Andaman and the Little Andaman particularly. And as we discussed earlier that every jadi dekhiba ki every after every two successive questions we'll discuss the answers, right? First dekhiba in India, Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region, Andhra Pradesh and the Krishna Godavari Delta region is called the rice bowl of India particularly. The rice bowl of India is the state of Andhra Pradesh. It has historically held that distinction, and with the Andhra Pradesh, it is the East Godavari district that can be called the rice bowl of Andhra. It is the East Godavari district which is called the rice bowl of Andhra. East Godavari district को होची rice bowl of Andhra Pradesh. Actually यदि देखियो तमे East Godavari district is highly fertile. East Godavari district जो इटा this district is highly fertile. Okay. So वर्तमान जदि हम देखिबा ईस्ट गोदावरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट रो जो चावल बाहर छी एटा पर्टिकुलरली तमरो खाली आंध्र प्रदेश नो आंध्रा ओडिशा हैला आंध्र प्रदेश ओडिशा तेलंगाना हैला एंड आल्सो महाराष्ट्र को भी से सप्लाई करछि बहुत बढ़िया राइस वे कल्टीवेशन. अच्छा डंकन पैसेज कहबा डंकन पैसेज योर कनेक्ट साउथ अंडमान एंड लिटिल अंडमान particularly. Duncan Passage is the strait in the Indian Ocean. It is about 48 kilometer wide. Duncan Passage, it is your 48 kilometer wide Duncan Passage. South Andaman और Little Andaman मझिरे जब हम देखिए South Andaman and Little Andaman, it is your 48 kilometer. It is wide, 48 kilometer wide. It separates Rutland Island, that is part of Great Andamans, to the north, and Little Andaman to the south. West of the Duncan Passage is the Bay of Bengal, and east is the Andaman Sea particularly. Several small islands and islets lie along the passage particularly. Several small island and the islets lie along the passage. E Duncan Island re samane they lie along the passage particular. Duncan Passage ହେଲା ଏଇଠି ଦେଖିବା Duncan Passage ରେ ଯଦି ତମେ ଦେଖିବ Duncan Passage रे बहुत सारा जहाज भी ଯିବା ଆସିବା କରନ୍ତି particularly, and it is the gateway भी बेड़े कहा जाए कि ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେମାନେ ମାଲାକା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟ୍ ରୁ ସେମାନେ ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି Malacca Strait to देखी ହେଲା ଏପଟେ ବସିକି they are the maintaining the shortcut route and they enter to the Bay of Bengal କୁ ସେମାନେ ପଶୁଛନ୍ତି ହେଲା. This is the very shortcut route, that one. Next देखिए, which of the following geographical term related with the naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Geographical term related with naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. Peninsula, Gulf, Strait and island. Naturally formed narrow typically navigable waterway that connects two larger bodies of water. This is your Bay of Bengal and this is your Indian Ocean. तो ये आंसर जदि देखियो तमे कनेक्ट की करछि इट इज सी, दैट इज स्ट्रेट. Then which of the following is suitable definition of archipelago? Ki archipelago suitable definition? A circular coral reef that enclose a shallow lagoon, a chain or set of islands grouped together, the plant and animal life on the earth, none of the above. Answer is your B for Bombay. ठीक है जी. Chain of suitable definition of set of archipelago, that is a chain or set of islands that group together particularly गोटे जगह से माने grouped अछन. देखिए डिस्कशन देखिए. Strait is a narrow waterway. Strait is a narrow waterway joining two large bodies of water. For example, bodies of water. Then, for example, this is Strait of Gibraltar. Strait of Gibraltar कोई भी. For example, connects Mediterranean Sea with the Atlantic Ocean. Connects your Mediterranean Sea with your Atlantic Ocean. Strait of Gibraltar. A narrow strip or sea that links to larger areas of sea particularly. Larger areas of sea को से connect करछ. Strait. Next, a chain or set of islands grouped together. क्या कहा जाए? Archipelago को जब तुम कहोगे. Suitable definition of archipelago: a chain or set of islands grouped together. An archipelago, sometimes called island group or island chain, island group and island chain or island chain, island group or island chain is a chain or cluster or collection of islands or sometimes a sea containing a small number of scattered islands particularly, an archipelago particularly. Gotek archipelago sometimes called an island groups. Particularly, this is an island groups or island chain cluster of islands. Sometimes is sea containing a small number of scattered islands. Archipelago. For example, Indonesian archipelago. This is one containing one land, and there are till the Pacific, Eastern Pacific one the language. Even if it is your including your Sumatra and Java also. Indonesian archipelago gote hela. Then Andaman and Nicobar Islands gote hela. Then Japanese archipelago hela. Japanese archipelago. Then Philippines archipelago. Javi Philippines archipelago. These are the island chains that connect kurchi archipelago. Set of or set or chain or set of islands particularly. Next देखिए. So archipelago जदि कहबो जदि माने कहा जीवो जेमती आमे भी अंडमान्स आ निकोबार्स को सपोज जेमती पर्टिकुलरली हम जदि कहबी अंडमान आ निकोबार आ एपट जदि हम कहबी इट इज योर part that is considered that is your Lakshadweep group of islands. Lakshadweep group of islands भी गोटे जगह हम कहि परिबा कोन a small group of islands हले or in a smaller if we say that one that the लिखि होची Lakshadweep group of islands, a smaller archipelago right? Nothing wrong in that one right? Jodi am kohuchu there is nothing wrong. Lakshadweep group of archipelago jodi am kohuchu it is a smaller group of islands. Next देखिए which among the following is the largest archipelago in the world? Andaman Nicobar Islands, Malaysia, Indonesia and Maldives. Right? Largest archipelago in the world. It is your Indonesia. Indonesia is the largest archipelago in the world. Which of the following is the world's largest peninsula? क्या अभी तो largest peninsula? India, South Africa, Arabia, both A and B. Largest peninsula यदि हम देखिए, it is your Arabia. Indonesia, it is one of the largest archipelago in the world, in the Indonesian archipelago, which is located in the Malay archipelago between Indian and Pacific Oceans. Between Indian and Pacific Oceans. According to the Indonesian Coordinating Ministry of Maritime Affairs, this archipelago has made about 17,504 islands, particularly, or that हम कह परिबा 18K, है ना? 18,000 island. The National Institute of Aeronautics, particularly, and Space, however, reports that the number of islands in the archipelago is actually 18,306. The number of islands, it is 18,306. The Arabian Peninsula is Earth largest, Earth largest spanning, that is near about 12 lakh 50,000 square miles. It connects the mainland Asia and is surrounded by the Persian Gulf, the Red Sea, the Arabian Sea on the three sides. Arab jodi mu kahibi Arabian country jodi am dekhiba, it is just like here. Arabian country just like Arabian country देखियो, it is just like connects mainland Asia and surrounded by the Persian Gulf. It is देखियो, it is by the Persian Gulf epote. This is your Persian Gulf and Red Sea and Arabian Sea. As well as the other small bodies of water. Surface of water. Next question. Which of the following paths has been created by the Indus River? Number one, the following pass has been created by the Indus River. It is just Rohtang Pass. Just 1 second. It is Indus River. It is your Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, Barlacha Pass, and Banihal Pass. Answer is your, it is it is D. It is Banihal Pass particularly. Hello. Then, which passes make way to the land route between the Kailas and the Mansarovar? किए Kailas और Mansarovar भीतर किए मन्ना पास, रोहतास पास और रोहतांग पास, जोटा भी नथुला पास एंड बारलाचला पास कोटा को रोहतांग TNG रोहतांग पास. The answer is your, then Nathula, then Barlachala. Your answer is your, it is A, Manna Pass. Manna Pass, Daki, Uttarakhand, Manna Pass. Banihal Pass देखिए, Banihal Pass at an altitude 2832 meter, है ना? And the Pir Panjal mountains connect Banihal with Kwazidong on the other side of the mountain. Banihal Pass जो देखियो, Banihal Pass तुम्हारा वर्तमान है ना जम्मू कश्मीर लद्दाख है ना प्रीवियसली जम्मू कश्मीर रे थिला जम्मू कश्मीर यूनियन टेरिटरी है वर्तमान एटा पड़ुची कोठी पीर पांजाल माउंटेन रेंजेस. पीर पांजाल माउंटेन रेंज टा कोठी है. This is Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailas, Pir Panjal. Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailas, and Pir Panjal. Karakoram, Ladakh, Kailas, and Pir Panjal. ठीक है जी. The Pir Panjal mountain ranges separates the Kashmir Valley in the Indian state of Jammu and Kashmir from the outer Himalaya and plains to the south, particularly, and plains to the south. Same thing. Manna Pass. Manna Pass was the ancient trade route between the Tibet and India. Manna Pass जो देखियो, Manna Pass 80 तमरो correctly जो देखियो. This is your Manna Pass. Manna Pass जो देखियो, it was an ancient trade route between the Tibet and India via Uttarakhand. It led from the Badrinath to Gaj town in Tibet. The trade route was fully functional till 1951. Till 1951 पर्यंत it is trade route. It was when it was shut down by the Chinese. In 1954, an agreement was signed between India and China. India and China with agreement signed that allowed the pilgrims and other travelers to travel through this path, particularly Manna pass through the. Manna Pass जब देखियो उत्तराखंड रा जब तमे देखियो your Nanda Devi mountain रा एपोर्ट Nanda Devi है ना, your Manna Pass is there. Next देखियो, which of the following pass link the Srinagar to Leh? कोटा Leh करछन Srinagar to Leh है. Srinagar वर्तमान देखियो, Srinagar is in your Jammu and Kashmir, and Leh particularly is your Ladakh. Okay. Srinagar to Leh re Manna Pass, Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, Jojila Pass. Your answer is your D. It is Jojila Pass. Okay. Which of the following river has the largest river basin in India? Largest river basin in India ki the Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Krishna. Largest your river basin in India. खाली जदि इंडिया में देखियो, it is answer your Bombay, माने Ganga. ठीक है, largest river basin in India is your Ganges particular. Jojila jodi कहबी, Jojila is a high mountain pass in the Himalayas in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh, particularly in the Indian Union Territory of Ladakh. Jojila. Located in the Dras, the pass connects the Kashmir Valley to its west with the Dras and Suru Valley to its northeast, and the Indus Valley to the further east, particularly Indus Valley to the further east. The national highway between Srinagar and Leh, particularly Srinagar and Leh, in the western section of the Himalaya mountain range, traverses the pass, particularly national highway is one. Since the vehicle flow stops during the winter every year due to the heavy snowfall, the all-weather Jojila tunnel is now constructed to mitigate this, particularly national highway NH1 है जोटा कि कनेक्ट कर Srinagar to Leh. Srinagar to Leh connect hochi. In the western section, in the Himalayan mountain range, traverses the passes since. Jojila Pass, Martwan Jadi, Ame Dekhiwa, this pass has an immense importance. This pass has an immense importance in terms of your of invading the tough ranges of Karakoram, tough ranges of Karakoram. Mainly, जो मैंने घुसपेटिया कहते हैं, mainly the mainly the your the betrayers, or we can say the insurgents, माने पसंद है माने जोटा कि तमे आतंकवादी टेररिस्ट कह पारे, mainly the insurgents from the neighbor nation, mainly the intruders from the neighboring nation enter the POK, entered through, माने POK through देखिए. After construction of this tunnel, highly advantageous to the Indian security. माने Indian security पे it is highly advantageous. It's बहुत बोला वाला. Next देखिए, गंगा रिवर बेसिन जोटा कि 10.8 lakh square kilometer. Ganga river is the most sacred river of India, and the Ganges basin is the most fertile for the agriculture. Basin wise देखियो, Ganga जदि number 1, then it is your Godavari. First rank mu likhi doji. Here I am writing the rank. Second Godavari. Third it is your Brahmaputra. Fourth Krishna. Fifth Indus basin. Fifth it is your Indus basin. Next देखिए, next which are the next question, which of the following rivers is not part of Panchnath? Vabi, Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Part of Panchnath kiye nuha vitru, which is not the part of Panchnath? it is your Indus. We'll discuss kahin ko Indus ko choose kali. Then next, which of the following rivers flows in a rift valley? Son, Yamuna, Narmada, and Luni. Son, Yamuna, Narmada, and Luni. It is Narmada river. Narmada flows in a rift valley. देखियो है ना. Panchnath river is formed by successive confluence of or the merger of the 5 rivers of the Punjab, namely Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. Particularly, Panchnath area is located in Punjab, Pakistan. It is an agriculture area near Uch, that is in Bahawalpur, and it is where all the 5 rivers of Punjab merge. Particularly, Punjab में जो भी 5 rivers अच्छे, they all are merged here. It is a beautiful picnic point as a fresh for the face. देखियो इंडस रिवर जदि होइछि, this is Indus. Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Jhelum, Chenab. Just 1 second. This is J, Chenab, Rabi, Satluj, B is eating mischievous. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your Jhelum, Chenab, Jhelum, Chenab, Rabi, Bees, Satluj. It is a beautiful picnic point for the fresh also. ये जो देखियो तमे ये 5टा रिवर particularly सेमाने जाइकि इंडस संगे मिशन एमन प्रथमे समस्त मिसी गोटे जगह हेले, that is this area is particular is known as your Panchnath. Panchnath areas, this one. Narmada देखियो यहाँ पर Narmada river flows on a rift valley, flowing on the between the Satpura and the Vindhya range. Narmada river which flows on a rift valley, जोटा कि flows करछि है ना Satpura and Vindhya and Satpura range ऊपर, है flows in a rift valley flowing west between the Satpura and the Vindhya ranges. The other rivers which flows to the rift valley are Damodar river in Chotanagpur plateau and Tapti. The Tapti river and Mahi river also flows to the rift valley between these different ranges. This is your Vindhya, this is Satpura. This is Vindhya. This is Satpura. This comes your Narmada, this one. Ironically, the Narmada river in India that flows in a rift valley, flowing in west between the Satpura and the Vindhya ranges particularly. The other rivers which flow through the rift valley include Damodar river in Chotanagpur plateau and Tapi. Damodar river and the Chotanagpur plateau in the Tapi. The Tapti river and Mahi river also flow through the rift valley between the different ranges, Tapi and Mahi. The Tapi or Mahi also river, they flow between the different ranges also. Mahi जदि मु कहबी Mahi एला तमर rift valley उपरे, Mahi एला Aravalli पाखरे बहुची एठी. This is your This is your Aravalli range. Mahi Tapi Tare. Next, consider the following statements related to the Vishnu Prayag KK. It is one of the Panch Prayag. Panch Prayag means 5 confluences, particularly 5 confluences को Panch Prayag हुआ of Alkananda river and lies at the confluence of Alkananda river and Dholiganga river in the Chamoli district in the Indian state of Uttarakhand particularly. It is one of the Panch Prayag particularly. Vishnu Prayag, 5 confluences particularly, 5 confluences. The place of confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. Jodi dekha Vishnu Prayag is a place of confluence of Alkananda and Bhagirathi. This is wrong. Okay. 5 confluence Alkananda river lies at the Alkananda Dhoran. This is correct. Only one is correct. Next, consider the following is related to storms. जोटा कि hot weather, during the hot weather season particularly. Mango showers. Since the rain showers are good for the mango trees, occur along the coast of Kerala. Mango showers. Hot weather season Lu is the name given to the hot, dry winds that blow in the northern plains. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh called Andhi and Bihar. Western Uttar Pradesh Andhi को आजे आओ एटा कोटी Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and Bihar. Correct statement किए. Very hot and dry winds that blow in the northern plains. This is correct answer. Mango showers, it here. Since the rain showers are good for the mango trees, occur in the coast of occur along the coast of Kerala. Yes, it is also correct. So 1 and 2 are correct both. Excuse me. Vishnupurak derives from a name from Vishnu. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the place where the sage Narada meditated, and after which the Vishnu appeared before him. It is the name of Kagbusandi lakes particularly. You can see only one is correct. This is correct. Next, both 1 and 2 are correct. These rains normally occur in March to April, although their arrival is often difficult to predict. Their intensity can range from light showers to heavy and persistent thunderstorm, particularly. In India, the mango showers, in India, the mango showers occur. Mango showers occur is the name of pre-monsoon showers in the Karnataka, Kerala, Konkan, and Goa. Mango showers to kodi hochi particularly Karnataka, Kerala, and Goa. Karnataka, Kerala, Goa. That help in the ripening of the mangoes. Particularly, these are the places where your this mango showers they occur. It occurs mainly mango showers. All these places known as the April rains or the summer showers, particularly April rains or summer showers will jana jayeti particularly. Consider the following statements about the southwest monsoon. Southwest monsoon. The bulk of rainfall is received during this season in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. Southwest monsoon. Bulk of rainfall is received during this monsoon season except all parts of in almost every part of India except Tamil Nadu. This is correct. Blossom shower. With this shower, coffee flowers blossom in Karnataka and it is nearby areas. Blossom showers is a shower. With this shower, coffee flowers blossom. Coffee flower ta blossom kare, in Karnataka and its nearby areas particularly. Blossom showers, जोटा coffee flowers southwest monsoon ले. तो जोटा की generally no. Blossom showers with the shower of coffee flowers blossom in Karnataka and its nearby southwest monsoon. This is not. Here only one is correct. Then it is because your aku jodi kare tamara particularly jodi kahibi it is your the pre-monsoon showers jota ki kare. So answer here is A. Which of the following longitude is the standard meridian of India? Kia Vitru 69, 30 degrees, 75, 30 degrees east, 82, 30 degrees east, then 90, 30 degrees east. Your answer is your C. We know it before. C is there. Meridian. Single meridian. Just once again. So this is only pratham ta. Only A, only one A is correct. So only one A. This is C. This is C. Sorry, C is correct. 82.5. So देखिए Southwest monsoon period is the principal rainy season for the Indian subcontinent. है ना Indian subcontinent पे Southwest monsoon है principal rainy seasons. This is the summer monsoon period where the southwest monsoon holds away over the country. Southwest monsoon hold away for the country. The whole country receives nearly 75% of its rainfall during this period. This period कौन हुए? The whole country receives 75% of rainfall. Southwest monsoon sets in over the extreme southwestern tip of the peninsula by the end of the May. By the end of the May, it is set of the extreme southern southwestern tip of the peninsula. By the end of the May. More than 75% of rainfall, particularly during this period. The standard meridian of India is 82.5 degree east of the Greenwich meridian. जो Greenwich meridian जोटा कि passes करछ हम जान जते लंदन देकी this is 0 degree suppose तो आ भितर हमर इंडिया जोटा हमर टाइम लाइन धराई छि it is 82 degree 5 minutes of the Greenwich meridian. This meridian passes through the city of Allahabad. It runs through the center of the country. Particularly it runs through the center of the country. In 1905, this longitude was selected. 1905 मसीह is this longitude was selected as the meridian to create the Indian Standard Meridian Time. Because before independence, माने पूर्वरु एटा हमर क्रिएट हिछि जोटा कि कह जाउछि कि हमरा Standard Meridian Time. अच्छा वर्तमान मते कहला इतने बड़ country, we are having so vast country. India is a vast country, and how only one your GMT line, your IST line, Indian Standard Time is suited इतने बड़ country के बिटो कहेंगे. It is because that to keep the unionness of India. Unity and diversity of the cover, it is keep the unionness of India particularly. It passes through Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. UP, MP, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and Andhra. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh also. Passes through Mirzapur. UP देखियो कहाँ देखिए पास करछ, it is your Mirzapur. Next देखिए हमारा मन रखो गुट्टी कंट्री रे हमर गुट्टी ही स्टैंडर्ड मेरिडियन टाइम. We are only having one standard meridian time जोटा कि डिसाइड करछि कंट्री रा. Next we'll see next question. Which of the following places receives highest rainfall in the world? Next question. Which of the following places receives highest rainfall in the world? Silchar, Cherrapunji, Maisinram, and Guwahati. Silchar, Cherrapunji, Maisinram, and Guwahati. His answer is it is C, Maisinram. Maisinram in Meghalaya. We'll discuss this one. Then what is the local name of the wind blowing in the northern plains during summer? है summer जोटा local wind हुए तार ना कौन? काला बैसाखी, trade winds, Lu, none of the above. है name of the wind blowing in the northern plains in the summer. It is Lu. Northern plains जो बोलूँ that is your Lu particularly. Average annual rainfall is your 11,871 mm, particularly Maisinram, or we can say, let's say 1200 centimeter. Can you imagine? Since 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm, and hence so 1200 centimeter, 1200 centimeter varsa hochi. The place that records the highest rainfall on the earth is Maisinram. It is your Maisinram, place having the highest record, located in the Meghalaya, India. Located only 15 kilometers from the Cherrapunji. Villages in the Maisinram use grass to soundproof their huts from the differing of rains that plagues the homes during the rainy season. माने इत्ते वर्षा हुए एठी माने से माने villages माने कौन करन they used to ढांकी के रखन. This is your Meghalaya. This is okay. Next is your यदि हम देखिए Lu. Lu कौन होची? Just let me draw a map here again. This is your छोटो करी करछे. This is your path of Lu. हेले यदि हम देखिए the hot and dry winds of northern plains of India called Lu is the name which provided to the wind which blows in the month of May, June, particularly in the northern plains. Particularly northern plains re month of May, June, the boiling heat with the temperature gets up to 45 to 50 degree, which causes sunstroke and is fatal death. माने लूट है इतने भयानक जे कि सेठी योर सनस्ट्रोक आउ डिबी करे. लू इज योर कज मैक्सिमम है मैक्सिमम लाइफ लॉस है और हम कहबा लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग particularly. Next, just a minute. Which of the following season? Just one second. Sorry. Next, which of the following season of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of India. क्या भितर following season of rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India. Cyclonic depression, western disturbances, retreating monsoon, and southwest monsoon. Season of rainfall during winters in the northwestern part of India. Winters in the northwestern part of India. It is your answer is your, it is retreat, it is winters in the northwestern. Acha, okay. Northwestern part of India re, rainfall. Which of the following season of rainfall during winters in northwestern part of the this is not season, this is region, sorry. Region of rainfall past of India, it is your retreating, sorry, it is your western disturbances. Region of rainfall during winters in the northwestern part of India, it is your western disturbances. B for Bombay. Which of the following factors is characterized by cold weather season in India? Cold weather season ke characterized by cold weather season in India. Warm days and warm nights, warm days and cold nights, cool days and cold nights, cool days and warm nights. Kya mitro? Factors characterized by the cold weather season in India. It is your answer, warm days and cold nights. Warm days and cold nights. B for Bombay. Western disturbances cause rainfall during winter in the northwestern part of India. Western disturbances cause rainfall during the your northwestern part of India, particularly northwestern part of India. This part, this is a pattern driven by the westerlies particularly. It is driven by your westerlies. मन रख आम प्लानेटरी विंड सिस्टम रे हमर दी प्रकार मेन थाए प्लानेटरी विंड्स हैला यदि मु कहिबी प्लानेटरी विंड्स रे दी प्रकार विंड थांदी वन इज योर easterlies, another is your westerlies. Easterlies, another is your westerlies. So westerlies, those जो माने कि से माने सबले ब्लो करंती westerlies माने दीटा जिनस westerly blows from west to east, where easterlies blows from east to west. Westerlies माने ब्लो करंती west to east को and easterlies from west to east को. this is a pattern of this pattern is driven by westerlies. Western disturbances are more important to the development of rabi crop in the northern subcontinent. It is the rabi crop to the northern your subcontinent, which includes the local important staple wheat. Jodi amar dekhiba India ra the the wheat production of India, the wheat production of India is mainly triggered by the rainfall from western disturbances. Triggered by the rainfall from the western disturbances. Ever so jemti maximum ame dekhile wheat productions in India was बहुत बढ़िया आइतला wheat production, even if माने appreciable but 5% less expected. जति हमर expect करा आइतला 5% was less particularly. Western disturbance 5% less production summer hitala. Last winter India has consigned the consignment जो थिला Egypt को, the consignment from the Egypt has been cancelled, particularly cancelled hitala because of your because there is a scarcity of food. Means I mean the गेहूं demand में था, इसलिए most of the wheat consignment has been cancelled, particularly Egypt because निज देश रे कमी थिला. So ये जो जिनसटा हला, this is all because of जति मु कहबी कि wheat production हमर इंडिया रा mostly triggered हुए कहाँ पे, ये जो westerlies को नहीं, westerlies ही ये कि majorly responsible for your wheat productions. पूरा year रे हमें देखो कि wheat production बहुत कम आसे, ना wheat production इतने कम आसे because we are not से समय वेस्टर्न डिस्टर्बेंसेस टा वर्षा टा भलो नथा, जेमते ए वर्ष को जाउ कि काफी भलो बहुत टाइम रे वर्षा रहला. इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल वर्तमान हैला. नेक्स्ट वार्म डेज एंड कोल्ड नाइट्स कोन देखिबा. द कोल्ड वेदर सीजन इन इंडिया begins during mid November in northern India and stays till February. हैला कोल्ड वेदर सीजन जब हम कहबी, cold weather season in India is begins during mid November in northern India. Northern India रे mid November आरंभ हुए and stays till February. December and the January are the coldest months during the cold seasons. है ना, cold season देखो December and your January are the coldest months also during the cold seasons. The days are warm and nights are cold. है ना, days are warm थांती, nights cold थांती. Northern part of India experiences cool days and cold nights. है ना, your experiences there the cool days and cold nights. Okay, next देखिए consider the following statements. ये देखिए अब the consider the following statements is are related to Himalayan range. की प्रथम it forms the highest mountain range in the world, extending 2,500 km over the northern India, bounded by the Indus River in the west and the Brahmaputra in the east. Three parallel ranges, the Himadri, Himachal and Shivaliks, have deep canyons gauged by the rivers flowing into the Gangetic plains, particularly flowing into the Gangetic plains. which of the following statements is correct? प्रथम है कि highest mountain in the world extending, this is correct, bounded by the Indus River in the west, Brahmaputra in the east, and the three parallel ranges Himadri, Himachal, Siwaliks, deep canyon gauges by the Gangetic plain. This is also correct. So answer is your, both are correct, 1 and 2. So answer is your C. The Himalayan range is one of the youngest mountain range on the planet and consists mostly of uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock. Youngest mountain chain in the planet consists of uplifted sedimentary and metamorphic rock, particularly. Can they? Diagram it is more clear. So it is the Himalayan ranges. Here we know this is your Trans Himalaya, this is your Greater Himalaya, this is your Middle Himalaya, and this is your Siwaliks. Okay. So uplifted sedimentary and the metamorphic rock. According to the modern theory of plate tectonics, its formation is a result of continental collision. Formation is a modern theory, the plate tectonics, it is the formation is a result of continental collision. Collision means one plate is colliding other plate. Means this is your Indo-Australian plate, this is your colliding with your Eurasian plate. So that is the formation of your Himalayas. Himalayas have formed due to this one. Himalayas are formed due to continental collision. Continental collision of Indo-Eurasian plate ने इंडिया और यूरेशियन प्लेट को नहीं की. अच्छा, the between the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. So that is what how your Himalayas have been created. So this is the young cold mountain. How जब हम देखिए next slot रे it is है ना Himadri, Himachal, Siwaliks. Himadri, Himachal, Siwaliks जब देखिए it is your Great Himalayas are called your Himadri, Middle Himalayas are called Himachal, and Siwaliks are called your Lower Himalayas also. They known. Okay. So मुझे कहबी कि जो वे आम डिस्कसन कर इट इज मोर हेल्पफुल कि हिमालयस बेंडिंग जदि हम देखा टिल योर वेस्टर्न हिमालय रू नहीं मीन्स आई मीन पीओके रीजन रू नहीं टिल जदि मुझे कहबी आमर वेस्टर्न इंडिया बाउंड्री नहीं टिल ब्रह्मपुत्र पर्यंत. तो दीज आर द ठीक डिस्कसन जो कि हमको एनमस वी आर गेटिंग एनमस बेनिफिट्स ऑफ डिस्कसन एंड हिमाद्री, हिमाचल, शिवालिक्स जोटा कि इथे मो कहते हिमाद्री कहते ग्रेटर हिमालय हिमाचल है मिडिल हिमालय को. So this is the way of discussions है. So एमती भाव पढ़ले हमको बहुत ही बेनिफिट्स रहबो एनालिटिकल वे रे. ओके. सो आज पे एतिक विल मीट अगेन. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.